India, good evening. Thanks for joining us on Times Now. As curtains will be drawn for the last phase election campaigning, Prime Minister Modi will embark on a spiritual journey. After the hectic campaigning across the length and breadth of India, the Prime Minister will visit Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari for Tapasya. Remember, the Prime Minister had meditated in Kedarnath in 2019 as well. But this particular location in Kanyakumari holds special significance as it is the same place where Swami Vivekananda had meditated once. Prime Minister Modi, who has been vocal about the influence of Swami Vivekananda on his life, will not just pay his tribute to the spiritual leader, but also aims to give out a larger message of national unity. But the spiritual sojourn seems to have sent the opposition into a meltdown. Soon after the news came in, opposition leaders, one after another, started mocking the Prime Minister. Congress's Jairam Ramesh drew a link to Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra, saying the yatra started from there, mocking the Prime Minister, saying the outgoing PM is starting his retired life from the same location. The opposition also had some advice for Prime Minister. RJD's Manoj Jha said that the Prime Minister needs atonement for the words he has used during campaign, but he must go without cameras.
ध्यान का मतलब होता है ना कैमरा लेके मत जाइएगा प्रधानमंत्री जी। ध्यान का मतलब होता है आत्मचिंतन। कैमरा लेके गए तो फिर तो कैमरा जीवी है साहब। कैमरा मुक्त मेडिटेशन करिए तो आपको ख्याल आएगा कि बीते पूरे 7 चरण में आपने किस प्रकार की शब्दावली का इस्तेमाल किया। उसके लिए प्रायश्चित भी कर लीजिएगा। हमें कोई विजुअल्स नहीं चाहिए, बहुत सारे विजुअल्स है आपके, तब समझूंगा कि आपने ध्यान किया है, अन्यथा इसको मैं ढोंग और पाखंड के सिवा कुछ नहीं मानता।
वो प्रधानमंत्री कर उनका आखिरी मेडिटेशन रहेगा। बाद में नरेंद्र मोदी करके वो हमेशा मेडिटेशन करते रहेंगे।
That's not all. The Congress has taken it a step further. Tamil Nadu Congress has decided to approach the Election Commission over PM Modi's meditation plan at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari, calling it mere drama for votes.
किसी परोक्ष रूप से साइलेंस पीरियड में जो चुप्पी रहने का समय होता है 48 घंटे चुनाव के पहले, उसमें कोई भी नहीं, चाहे कितना बड़ा लीडर हो, वो किसी रूप से, सीधे रूप से या परोक्ष रूप से कैंपेनिंग नहीं कर सकता। हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, कोई व्यक्ति, कोई लीडर कुछ भी करे, मौन व्रत रखे या कैंपेन करे, लेकिन वो साइलेंस पीरियड में इनडायरेक्ट कैंपेनिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए। ये सीधा आदर्श संहिता का उल्लंघन है।
The BJP has hit back at opposition, reminding that this isn't the first time the opposition has mocked Sanatan and Tapasya. During the 2019 Tapasya Prime Minister, the Congress had called it polarization. While the world celebrated International World Yoga Day, Rahul Gandhi had mocked the Army Dog Unit's yoga with opposition's constant barbs on the Prime Minister. The BJP also had some advice for the opposition to also try some yoga and tapasya.
क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री जब तक सनातन की बात करते हैं, देश के सनातनी जब सनातन की बात करते हैं, ये तुष्टिकरण वाले जो सनातन को कुचलना चाहते हैं, राम पैदा ही नहीं हुए, मंदिरों में लड़की छेड़ने जाते हैं, अयोध्या का निर्माण करना चाहते हैं, ये सारी चीजें जो आह्वान करते रहते हैं, इनको तकलीफ होती है जब देश के प्रधानमंत्री सनातन को लेकर आगे बढ़ने का काम करते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री का रूटीन वर्क है, वो भगवान को भी याद करते हैं और भगवान के अनुसार सनातन को भी आगे बढ़ाने का काम करते हैं और हर बार जाते हैं। वो पहली बार कोई नई बात तो नहीं है। वो
देखो, जो लोग जो है वो इस कर्मयोगी पर जो है वो सवाल कर रहे हैं, उनको खुद जवाब देना चाहिए कि वो जो है जब फुल टाइम उनका पर्यटन होता है और पार्ट टाइम वो पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं, और वो भी जो है पर्यटन के देश में नहीं होता, विदेशों में दिखाई पड़ता है। अभी भी देख लीजिएगा आप कहाँ जाएंगे, तो एक कर्मयोगी को इस कुनबे के भोगी जो है वो न परास्त कर पाएंगे, न उनको जो है कमजोर कर पाएंगे।
Let's open this up. Siddharth Yadav, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Ratan Sharda, author analyst Shyama Prasad Meka, leader of the Congress party, and Priyanka Bharti, the national spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, completes the panel. Good evening, all of you. Mr. Meka, do you really believe that this is a stunt for votes?
See, first point, I don't want to pass a comment on such a personal issue. Okay, he want to go and meditate, or he want to go and do a puja. It's up to him. The point is, he is using that to breach the model code of conduct. When the campaigning ends, he starts some tamasha like this.
No, meditation
And
is
he-
tamasha.
no, wait a
one
minute,
Mr.
wait a
Meka, no, I can't allow you to, have this monologue. You tell me, sir, meditation is tamasha for you. I began by asking you, you believe this is a
No,
stunt?
it's not. It's not.
But you just said it.
I'm telling you, he is making it a tamasha.
Okay.
I'm asking him to refrain from it.
Now, did you
so
hear
that
what
he is not
Dr. Manu
hurting
Singhvi
all
said,
other
Mr. Meka?
sentiment.
Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi went to the EC with the Congress delegation and he said,
Yeah.
and we just played out his reaction, he says, chuppi rehne ka samay hai, after the campaigning ends, he should not do anything directly or indirectly to fetch votes. So the Congress is linking this to votes. Do you agree with that line?
Now, first of all, does the Prime Minister know the model code of conduct? Is this election commission?
What
is
the
aware
Prime
of any
Minister
of the
knows,
election
what he does not know, we
model
will
code of
ask
conduct?
him. I'm asking you, do you agree with this line that this is being done to get votes?
Correct.
Correct.
He is sending
No,
a
one
message.
minute. No, so he is
Prime
doing this
Minister-
meditation for votes.
Prime
Will Rahul?
Minister
Why doesn't
is
Rahul Gandhi then
willfully-
sit down and get votes like this? Why was he
I'll tell you.
campaigning?
I
He
will
shouldn't
tell
have
you.
done Bharat Jodo Yatra.
I will tell. When the campaigning is ended, Prime Minister is misusing his position.
Okay.
कभी जाके गुफा में बैठते हैं, कभी जाके विवेकानंदा रॉक पे बैठते हैं. ये पूरा मीडिया अटेंशन लेने का काम है ना.
Okay.
क्या है?
सिद्धार्थ यादव
क्या है ये? कैमरा लेके
कैमरा
माता
लेके
जी को
कभी
प्रणाम
गुफा
करते
में
हैं.
कभी
क्या है?
पत्थर पे तमाशा कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री.
तमाशा बना रहा है.
तमाशा
तो
बना
तमाशा
रहे.
बन रहा है.
Okay. तमाशा बना रहे. See the nuance that he's put in it. तमाशा बना रहे. Siddharth Yadav
He has
respond.
to.
Yeah.
He has no other option. But the problem with Congress party is that for them, any Sanatan practice is only done for votes. Now, the Rahul Gandhi who wears a Janayu over his coat, who has done any practice, any puja, anything, any arti only for votes, how can he even understand that someone can even do it for self-solace, someone can do it for themselves, and such a heavy election campaign has happened and the Prime Minister is going there? What is the trouble in that? You are asking, have you read the model code of conduct? Have you read the model code of conduct? Where in the model code of conduct is it prohibited? Who says so? What kind of campaign is that? And if this is a campaign for votes, who is stopping you to do it? You do it. You know the formula, right? You know the formula, no? That you can get votes because of this. Then Rahul Gandhi should sit down tomorrow. But the problem with Rahul Gandhi and the problem with Congress party is he was planning that as soon as the campaigning ends, he will leave for Thailand. He'll go there, live his life, go to Thailand, go to London. And on complex, the person whom he is trying to oppose, the person who is challenging, he is going to the Sanatan roots of our country. He is going to the Vivekananda statue. He is going to the place where the saints of this country have found enlightenment. That is the problem. The Congress party cannot digest the Sanatan practices of our country. They cannot digest what this country's core
Okay.
beliefs are. And
Ratan
that is why they
Chadha,
get
is
rattled.
meditation tamasha for you too?
Well, people have never meditated, who have never, done any yoga, pranayam. For them, everything is tamasha. Because when Rahul Gandhi puts water glass on his head, they go gaga over him, cooling himself off, and say, "Oh, Rahul got some wonderful what they call vibes." Now, see, some people feel de-stressed by sitting in meditation for one day. Try sitting for 1 hour, Mr. Meka, not one day, which Modi ji does. Your legs will cramp up and you will not be able to do anything. So some people feel the loneliness and the quietude as the way to de-stress. Some people go to Thailand. Have people objected to somebody going to Thailand? No. Somebody needs a break every month. Somebody needs a break once in 5 years. What is the problem? Modi ji could have got much more cameras sitting in Delhi and talking to people than sitting quietly in a corner in southern tip of India, which was the spiritual inspiration for Swami Vivekananda. And why does this holy space have a problem? Because Congress entire India Alliance has a problem with anything which gains inspiration from Sanatan, which gains inspiration from Hindu knowledge system. Because, for example, Congress never had a ministry for Ayurveda because they never believed in Ayurveda, they never believed in yoga. For them, it was some kind of tamasha. So people have no faith in Indian knowledge system. People have no faith in Indian spirituality. Will make these kind of comments which are derogatory, stupid, show them a very poor light. It shows they're so scared when 90% of the seats are already over, when election is virtually over. Even then, there are problems with Modi ji sitting in a meditation. Camera will not go inside the chamber where he's sitting. They will land at the door probably and go back. But you will continuously try to watch him to him. When your person goes for temple run, you have no problem. When he puts Janev on the top of court, you have no problem. Your problem is genuine Hinduness, genuine spirituality, genuine yoga, because all through
there is a clip, because you're talking about Janev. I just want to bring in, one reference, Mr. Sharda. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sure you've seen that clip of Mr. Khadge, the Congress president. He was campaigning in Punjab. He's wearing a turban himself. And then he points to the turban and he's mocking Prime Minister Modi. He says, Modi ji, yahan jaate hain to wahan ka kapda pehen lete hain, wahan jaate hain to wahan ka kapda pehen lete hain. Mr. Meka, ab ye kya tha? Ye tamasha tha? What was it?
See, the simple thing is, you and I both know, we need to respect anybody's personal choice of taking a break. We will. But if you want to use that for promotion of yourself and your party for votes, then it will be questioned. As simple as that. Then call it a political rally, do it.
But there are people who are perpetually on a break. Nobody questions them. I don't want to take names, Mr. Meka. I want to bring in, let's bring in Ms. Bharti. She's been listening to this intently. Ms. Bharti, Tej Pratap Yadav is your leader. Do you know things that he said about meditation? Do you believe meditation is tamasha?
Okay, before I come to your question, I would just like to ask, since the whole nation is watching this, can this meditation of Mr. Modi procure 20 crores of jobs which he promised?
I will answer that.
Just listen to me once. Can this meditation decrease the unemployment? Can this meditation decrease inflation? Can this meditation decrease even the prices of milk, gas cylinder? No. The core issue of this nation is unemployment, hunger index.
Great.
Everything.
Let me answer that question.
I want to say one thing.
No. I'll put that to Mr. Yadav, but I wanted to ask you.
की बात मत कर, ये बता private sector में reservation कब लागू होगा?
Okay.
This is our issue.
Okay. I'll tell you. When Tej Pratap Yadav, your leader, is he your leader or not? Ms. Bharti, is Tej Pratap Yadav your leader or not? Tej Pratap Yadav?
Can you please repeat the question?
तेज प्रताप यादव आपके नेता हैं कि नहीं है? तेज प्रताप यादव.
What?
प्रियंका जी, तेज प्रताप यादव आपके नेता हैं कि नहीं हैं?
Can you please tell your team to correct the voice because you're not audible at all?
Okay. Can we please fix the voice? She's having some trouble listening to me. If the audio is better, ma'am, let me say this again. Is Tej Pratap Yadav your leader or not?
Tej Pratap Yadav is just not my leader. He's the leader of the people who voted him.
1 minute. Why does he play flute? 1 minute. Why does he play flute? Will that stop Jungle Raj in Bihar? Why does he dress like Krishna? Why does he meditate? Why does he put tilak on his forehead? What will that do? Why are you mocking why are you mocking Sanatan Astha?
Are you mocking it?
You just said it. It may be tamasha for you.
I'm not mocking it.
You just said it. You just said it. Ms. Bharti, you just said it. What will it procure? Everything is not done to procure anything. This is when you 1 minute when you go to the temple. 1 minute. Lalu Prasad Yadav ji has been talking about how 1 minute, Ms. Bharti. Lalu Prasad Yadav in his interviews has said that he is a Shiva devotee. He is a Shiva devotee. Nobody turns around and asks him what will it,
No, I'm
how will
asking
it
just
help
a
the
simple
people of
question,
Bihar?
sir, not to you,
Mr.
to the
Sharda,
BJP spokesperson, was
Mr.
he
Sharda, we are,
to do
crossing the lines of
not
absurdity.
for the people who voted him.
So
See,
by that
problem is when
logic,
they do-
people have voted for Prime Minister Modi. Let Mr. Ratan Sharda now speak.
See, the problem is, and don't have any argument. They try to shift the entire debate. They try to shift the playground. Sorry, madam, that is not the way a debate is conducted. You can raise question when the question is on economic policy or manifesto. Raise the issue. Since you have taken a very mocking route, can I ask you? Lalu Prasad was shown milking bhais and cows. Did it solve the problem of India, of Bihar? No, it only ended up people becoming more poor and himself grabbing chara of 1,000 crores. So we would rather have a chara chor who is suffering imprisonment out on bail, milking the people and milking the cows. That is great show. But a person sitting quietly in a corner, when all his job of years of tapasya is over, then he has gone all around India in this heat of 50 degrees centigrade and done number of rallies that nobody has done. That is a problem. Somebody takes a break. That's a problem.
And I'll tell you,
the problem is that you
in
have
December,
no priorities.
In December last year, Ms. Bharti, if you're not aware, Lalu Prasad Yadav, along with the entire family, your leadership, was at the Tirupati temple, at the famous Tirupati temple, offering prayers. Did you ask him, or will you ask him, how will it help the people of Bihar?
Did he do this during elections?
Okay, so in
A
elections
very
you can't
basic
do.
question.
No, in
Did he
elections
do
you
this
can't
during
do it, but
elections? No, he did not.
no. So in
He's
elections,
not
what
playing-
changes?
He's not playing
What
cards of
changes in
religion.
election, Ms. Bharti? What changes? Please
Tejasvi
explain to us.
Prasad Yadav gave 5 lakh jobs in Bihar. What
Was
did
he the
Mr.
chief
Modi
minister?
do in 10 years?
Was Tejasvi Yadav the chief minister, ma'am?
What did Mr. Modi do
You tell
in 10
me,
years?
was he
Where
the
is
chief
his report
minister?
card?
Was he the chief minister? Tejasvi Yadav was deputy
Where
chief
is
minister
his
twice in a
report card?
government that did not complete its tenure. Ask Nitish Kumar about Tejasvi Yadav. We've run out of time. That's a separate debate to have. But I thank all of you. Siddharth Yadav, Shyama Prasad Mehta, Ratan Sharda, and Priyanka Bharti for joining us on Times Now.